Welcome back to the Old Soul Millennial channel. Do you have a light bulb out in a high ceiling? Perhaps the ceiling isn't that high, but you're uncomfortable with ladders, you don't want to fall off, or there's a bunch of stuff in the way and you don't want to have to hire a handyman to go out and replace the bulb. Well, you're in luck, because in today's video I'd like to share with you a product that allows you to easily and safely change light bulbs from the ground. So you are going to have to purchase a light bulb changing kit. I will leave a link for the product I recommend in the description down below. But what do you get? Well, you basically get this extension pole, which some of these extension poles can extend up to 26 feet long, and you'll receive a few different adapters for the pole. For example, a suction cup for bulb style like par 38 bulb styles. And you also get an expanding finger bulb changer, so basically this just slips over the bulb. There's some rubber right here that allows the changer to gain traction on the bulb, and then you can spin the old bulb out and spin the new one back in. Makes it very simple. Now I have a light bulb out in the garage, so let's put this kit to work and see what it can do. Now, because the light bulb I need to change out in the garage is a traditional A19 style bulb, we're going to use the expanding finger adapter. So we're simply going to spin this onto the end of the tool. Next, we need to tighten up this little set screw, and this prevents the finger changer from backing off the threads while we are spinning the bulb on and off. And the final thing we need to do is to extend the pole, and the procedure may vary depending on the type of pole you have, but for this one, we're going to spin two sections counterclockwise, which will unlock them. Then we can extend them, and once we extend the pole out as far as we need to, we can twist the two poles clockwise, thus locking them together, and now they won't collapse. First, I'm going to shut off the light switch to kill power to the bulb. Next, we'll slip this finger coupler over the bulb. A little bit of upward pressure and twist counterclockwise. And it is that easy. Now let's install the new bulb. We're just going to line it up in the socket. Try and keep it plumb. Slowly spin it on. Don't have to crank it, but, you know, a little upward pressure, a little twist to the right. Let's turn on the switch. And that is fixed. All right, let's do one more. Line up the tool, let the finger slip over the bulb, a little bit of upward pressure. And after you get it broke loose, just spin it off, straight down. Swap over to the new bulb, line up the bulb in the socket. Very light upward pressure, you just want the threads to catch in the beginning. Threads are catching in the socket, just spin it up, and then finally a little bit of upward pressure and a final twist. That's all there is to it.